As you work on a design, you'll likely need to modify some objects. Before you can modify an object, you have to select it. To select an object, position your cursor over the object and click. Click additional objects to add them to the current selection. I can remove objects in the current selection by holding the Shift key while I click the objects. I'll press Escape to clear the selection completely. Instead of selecting objects individually, I can select multiple objects at once with a selection window. I'll drag the cursor from left to right to select objects that are completely enclosed in the window. I'll drag from right to left to create a crossing selection, which selects all objects crossed by or enclosed in the window. Now let's look at some modify commands. I can use the Erase command to remove objects from my drawing. I select the object I want to remove, and then either click the Erase tool or press Delete. If I make a mistake, I can choose Undo from the Quick Access toolbar or from the Command Shortcut menu. Let's say I want to copy these windows. First, I zoom in. I can use the Zoom command, or I can position my cursor and rotate the wheel on my mouse forward. I can pan the drawing view by pressing the mouse wheel down and dragging. From the Home tab, I'll select Copy and use a crossing window to select the objects I want to copy. I'll use an Intersect object snap to copy the windows from one location to another. Finally, I'll double-click the mouse wheel to fit my design in the current window.